Hello, everybody. Getting ready for the Cancun Hip Hop Festival. I got some emergency packing products for you to carry on your trip if you're ever going to a festival, concert, or just traveling. Traveling is not the same as it used to be. You have to travel with some of your emergency products that you bring from home just to make sure that you can feel comfortable when you're out and about in case something happens. You want to stay ready so you ain't got to get ready. So let's get ready with me with a few of my emergency products that I'm bringing with me to Cancun. First up is carbon monoxide. Well, we all heard the stories about this, and it comes with a battery. I bought this from Amazon. All these products will be listed in my store front. I have a list of them. It's just go to Festival Cancun list, and I have all these products here. First up, and I also bring a COVID test, just in case they have some reason why they don't want to let us back on the plane. You know, somebody's having an outbreak. I'm ready for a test right there. What you want? All right. Then I bring out the mosquitoes spray. I buy these in a 4-pack, at least 3 times a summer, 3 to 4 times a summer in a 4-pack from Amazon. And I'm taking 2. And I always save a little some for the end because I spray myself before I get on the plane. Mosquitoes and spiders will attack you on the plane. So always spray yourself. Then I have some of these. These are incense for mosquitoes. I light them up in the room just to draw them out so I can kill them, so I can go to sleep in peace. I also have a whole pack of this right here, which is called disposable rain ponchos. It's a pack of 10. It's just me and my husband, but I'm willing to share, you know. So I brought some extra ones. Cancun is clear right now, but you know it's liable to bust out raining any moment. And you know, I'm gonna tell you a quick story. I was in Vegas just August, and it was pouring down rain. And the smartest thing I seen was somebody with a clear poncho walking around Vegas, but they had their clothes under them, you know, that for summer, but they had the poncho over so they wouldn't just be walking in the rain. Great. So I said my next move before I go anywhere is to get some ponchos. You never know when that rain's coming. All right. For my medicine bag, I carry an ace bandage. I carry Band-Aids, different sizes. Of course, we have our indigestions, our Tums. If you have prescription medicine, keep those with you. Do not put those in your luggage. But I have some extra ones, some extra mask in here. And anything that helps with mosquito bites, or I still carry that pink one around. I don't know how long I've had this pink calamine lotion, but I think calamine will probably cure any rash that you run into, hopefully. So I carry it with me. Let's see what else. Another important thing that's starting to happen. You gotta carry your own cups everywhere. Of course, at the airport. But I decided to go ahead and get me my own coffee cups too, because I like to fill up some coffee from the restaurants and walk out with it. And I don't want to have to get a paper cup that goes cold, flimsy. I want to walk with it, talk with it. And plus, I could probably use this for some of my drinking because they're little cute, you know, some water or something. So I got me these 2 coffee cups from Amazon. Check my storefront. They're cute too. I'm packing, so I'm not going to unpack all this stuff. So, 2 umbrellas. Always have your umbrellas. And let's see what else. Now, that's for the emergency. Now, you know you have everything else covered. I was just saying, let's just boost it up. One thing me and my husband do is we call Kaiser's nurse. Kaiser nurse. Where's my medicine bag? Right here. You call Kaiser nurse and tell her you're going out of the country, and she would tell you what's going on there and tell you what medicine you should carry with you. And we always ask for that traveler's diarrhea bacteria drug. It's great to have with you just in case, because me and my husband both He's caught that traveler's diarrhea while we're on vacation, and I've caught it on the way home. And it knocks it out within like 1 day. It stops that pain, boom, boom, it's gone. So I don't want to have 4 days of vacation and 3 I'm stuck in the room because I'm sick and my stomach hurt like hell. Because when that traveler's diarrhea hits you because you ate something you ain't supposed to eat, that shit hurts. It hurts. It'll mess up your whole night. So that's in here. It's only 3 pills per person, and they only want you to take one. Wait a couple of days, and then take the other, see how you feel, because that one should knock it out. So carry some traveler's diarrhea with you, and a whole lot of Band-Aids, masks, heartburn medicine, anything that you might have to go. I know we have them here at the house, but anything you might think you and your husband, like allergy medicine, I put a couple of packs in here because I don't want us to have to need them and we don't have it. And then I have to go buy it from something expensive or they don't have it. So our luggage is getting full with must have because I don't want to be stranded and I don't have everything. I can be stranded, but at least I have an umbrella, a poncho, you know, something to eat, somewhere to sit, and then I'll be fine. You know, everything else in my bag, I got all my cords and everything. So let me tell you about the fun stuff I brought. First up is the number one. This is a backpack. It's a waterproof backpack. This is my prized possession right here. I bought from Walmart. I keep saying Walmart. Amazon storefront. It is a plastic bag that when you seal it and you snap it closed like this, it becomes waterproof. Therefore, all your belongings are in here, and it turns into a floaty, so it goes in the water with you. So you don't have to leave your camera, your phone by your the table or the chair, or have someone sit and watch it. You put everything up in here, snap it closed, and it rolls in the water with you. Smart, especially for a festival of this size. You know, some resorts is not as packed, so you might be able to lay things around. But for me, I'm getting in the water, I'm right up on everything, and nobody telling me to hold no bags. I'll be bringing my bag with me. Smart move. Waterproof backpack. Go in the ocean with you, work as a floaty, and you got all your stuff with you. I also like to bring my own floaty. This resort has a big, beautiful pool, 2 resorts, and a lazy river. And something caught my eye when I was watching the video. She says, "Oh, we wanted to get on the lazy river, but it wasn't enough floaties." I said, "Oh shit, I didn't think about that." But so I ordered these 2 adult-sized floaties, which is not going to be that much to carry around. I'm gonna have them inflated at the resort. But I'm known for carrying a floaty. I always go to 99-cent store and get a floaty or a beach ball from the 99-cent store. But I didn't go to the 99-cent store. I ordered it off of Amazon. Now, I think this is going to come in handy for a lot of other reasons, too. For us chilling in the pool, putting our bag in here, just chilling. A place for us to sit when there's no chairs. We just pull out this right here and sit. It's going to be all kinds of ways. Then when we're done with it, we take it back to the room and wait for the next day. And deflate it and bring it back home with us. Smart move with this. Okay. Next one is a ball. I swear, I've been to so many resorts where I'm bored to death. And it's not because the resort is not beautiful. It's because we didn't bring nothing to play with. No dominoes, no balls, nothing. And we are some big kids. So we're sitting around watching everybody else, looking at each other. I'd rather be zoning out, playing something for me and my husband together, or as a group with some other people. I don't want to just sit around and just be looking stupid. Like, isn't this nice? This is nice. This is real nice. No, I want to play. Okay. Now this one I bought. This is supposed to skip over the water, but it's smaller than I thought. So you're going to have to tune in and subscribe to my channel, because all these products I will be showing you in the videos from the Hip Hop Festival in Cancun this weekend. So be sure to follow and subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing you the hottest videos out there. All right, Dolores for Urban Creations.